Okay, it is 11:09 a.m., February 9th, 2014, calling Jack Considine, the City Council member from Ward 5 of Mankato, Minnesota.
You've reached Jack Considine phone. Please leave a message.
At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Yes, Mr. Considine, you sent me an email on February 12th assuring me that your Mr. Pat Hentges was going to look into the fact that your Director of Public Safety, Todd Miller, into him withholding my information on your Daniel Padilla, your Mankato police officer, which his attorney says your police officers are nothing but a bunch of criminals who stop people without probable cause and do illegal searches. So I'm still waiting for my data that you have willfully refused to provide. So that's what I'm looking for, is that information. And I told you that I'd start calling you. And, this is February 12th. You sent this email. It's 7 days ago. So, because today is February 19th, 2014. So, where is my data? So, I'm going to keep calling until my data shows up. Obviously, your Todd Miller, Director of Public Safety, doesn't want me to have it because I figured out that there's something wrong with Padilla's case when your officer turns off his sound on his traffic stop. And geez, I have testimony from a state patrol says they're not allowed to do that. And I also have the manuals from other police officers or other police agencies which says you're not allowed to do that. So obviously, your Director of Public Safety has something to hide. Obviously, he doesn't want to give me, he's misusing public funds, playing on my website, on January 29th, 2014, instead of doing his job. So there's all sorts of things to be looked into. So that's what I'm going to call you back. Terry Nemmers, 320-283-5713. Bye.